What's up guys, Chris here. So today I'm at this roadside creek and there actually looks like there was some type of oil spill or something. There's a whole bunch of oil on top of this water. I've never seen it look like this before. Oh, fish on. Oh, come on. Oh. Alright guys, just got fish number one. It's actually the second fish I hooked into out of here. The first one I thought I was actually snags and he jumped and spit the hook, but just got fish number one on this chunky little bass out of here. So getting back in the water. What's up guys, Chris here. So today I'm back at this spot on the side of the road. The last few times I've been here has been pretty rough. On top of that, it looks like there's some type of oil that's got covered on top of this water. So today I'll just be lucky if I catch anything. So I'm gonna start with a little, I think it's a Rapala little jointed minnow and see if I can get anything on that. But let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, I got this little jointed minnow tied on. So the last time I came here, it was covered with this oil, and the oil is still here somewhat. I don't know where it's coming from, but hopefully it doesn't affect the fishing too much today. Oh, fish on? Oh man, super tiny fish on. What do we got? Well, it's a start. First fish of the day. Tiny little largemouth. Smallest bass I've ever caught out this body of water. Let him go. Oh, fish on. Oh, good. Oh no! Shoot! There we go. Oh man. Well, we're looking for his bigger brother, but fish nonetheless. Alright, just got fish number two out of here. A little bit bigger than the last one, so they're starting to move up in size. I just lost a decent sized bass, but let's keep going. Okay, fish on. Probably a bluegill. Yep. Alright, third fish of the day out of here. Nice size bluegill. Pretty colors on them. Let's get him back in the water. There we go, fish on, out the tunnel. What do we got? All right, just got the fourth fish of the day by moving to the other side and casting underneath that tunnel. Just another little bluegill, but let's get this out, let him go. Also switched to a rooster tail. There we go, fish on. Oh! Ooh, nice bluegill. Oh no, it's a warmouth. Beautiful warmouth. Alright, just pulled the warmouth from out the tunnel. Beautiful, beautiful fish, man. I love catching these guys. Let's get them back in the water. Oh, there we go. Little tiny largemouth. Alright, so I just decided to throw on a Joe's Flies because I banged up that rooster tail so much. So within a few casts I got this little largemouth. I'm probably going to switch out my lure here in a second, put on something larger and see if I can pull out some larger fish. But it's been a productive day so far, especially because fishing here has been so rough lately. But let's let this guy go. So I actually just followed that little pool around and I actually stumbled upon a creek. So I don't have any more time to fish today, but the next time I come out here, I'm definitely gonna hit this pond. I should have explored more earlier. I don't know why, I just assumed that that went straight back and you can access it, but there's a little creek right here, so the next time I come out, this will be it. But anyways, hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Tight lines, subscribe if you haven't, take care. There we go. What is this? A beer bottle. I got a beer bottle. Okay.